Good morning, sir. Now, I would like to tell you about my cities. Sylhet city, the most beautiful city in Bangladesh, and it is also holy city in Bangladesh. My Sylhet city is located in a northeast part of Bangladesh. There is a lot of beautiful places. For example, Sylhet Sada Pathor, Bisnagandhi, Ratarkul, Jaflong, Tea Resort, Kamarbari, tea garden, Silat Shahjahan Mazar, Silat Shahpuran Mazar, and etc. And many school and college, my cities, most beautiful college and varsities in there. Many people every year visit Sylhet. Sylhet, Sylhet has the most beautiful colleges, most beautiful men, and people love here because it is a most beautiful weather and beautiful environment here. And I love my cities very much. Thank you.